Florida, but it's coming our way. Right now, the entire state of Florida covered by tropical storm warnings, hurricane warnings in the Big Bend, but it's not just there. Hurricane warnings stretch all the way up to Macon, Georgia, almost to Atlanta. Atlanta has tropical storm warnings, and even western North Carolina with tropical storm warnings with this storm. This is going to really push water ashore. So when the storm is here in the Big Bend area, it's dragging water around it into Tampa and Fort Myers, 3 to 5, even 4 to 8 feet. But in this closed portion of the state here, 15 to 20 feet of storm surge are possible. That is what they're calling not just life-threatening, but potentially unsurvivable. 1 to 3 inches of rain plus 3 to 5 in a swath that runs all the way up through Atlanta, portions of western North Carolina, 7 to 10 inches. For us, 1 to 3 across a lot of central Ohio. Southern and southwestern Ohio could end up with 3 to 5 from this storm, especially as it sits in place over the next few days. Plus tomorrow, very strong wind coming out of the east, wind gusts of 40 to 45 miles per hour or more. So that can bring down tree branches, which can then fall on power lines. So some isolated power outages are possible, especially during the afternoon and evening tomorrow. That is why tomorrow is going to be an alert day, because we're going to have to stay weather aware with these very strong winds, and there's the potential for those power outages. A wind advisory that's going to cover western and southwestern Ohio starts at 10 o'clock tomorrow morning and runs until midnight. You might even see, even for places that are outside of the actual advisory, you're still looking at some very strong wind that could create some downed power lines. The rain is just getting into southern Ohio now, and plenty more of that is on the way. Parts of Columbus are actually seeing some mostly cloudy skies, and we're dry in the city for now. It's 74 degrees with a wind out of the northeast at only 10 miles an hour right now. Your Bassett Services heating and cooling current conditions pretty much between 70 and 75 across most of the area. So it's a mild night, and overnight we'll drop to 67 with some of that rain moving in. It's going to be windy and mild. Tomorrow morning, rain is with us, and during the day, very strong winds begin to happen. Showers and thunderstorms are likely, and then that's going to continue into Saturday. We're looking at a rainy day tomorrow, plus very windy conditions. Highs getting into the upper 70s during the afternoon, which is a little above average, but that's why tomorrow is an alert day. 77 on Saturday and 76 on Sunday, both days with some rain, and more rain Monday and Tuesday.